Ken folk. Good people. How you doing? Yeah, buddy, we back from lunch and we about to get on it. We about to go gadget on you. Yeah, buddy, check it out. Got so Chevy with it. Oh, Chevy 3500, you see it. Got to do an oil change on this thing. And
Dookie.
You see the Chevy. Got to do an oil change on this. It's old 4500, you see it. Alright, we're going to start on the newest one first. Yeah. Alright. Get this filter out here. Done started draining before lunch. Oh, got a stuck. Why is it stuck? Alright. We're going to wipe it around, rinse it off. Yeah. Dookie. Now we're gonna butter that filter on up. Butter up. Yeah. Hope this the right filter. And it is. Wick. We're gonna tighten it. Hand tighten, they say. Yeah. Yeah. A lot of people can't get that grip. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah, I hate pans like that, where they got it like that, but I be getting it on there. Usually I use a belt wrench, whatever they call them things. I love them belt wrenches. Got mine from Lowe's. Old Cobalt. I don't really mess with Cobalt, but hey, some things good to go, Joe. Yeah. We can go and get this plug back in here. Put some oil in this thing and we'll switch to the next one. Yeah. I'm about to go on get on the older one here and let it drain while I fill up the oil in the other one. So, let me see, can I do this? It's 15. If I can do this, I'm talented. I'm very talented. Oop. Nope. I'm still talented though. Gotta switch again. Dookie. And I gotta get on my back. Get some leverage on it. God, Dookie. Hold on. Let me get some more leverage. You trying to beat me? You gonna beat me? Dang, I done cut the phone off. Alright, let's get with it. Ah, yeah. Oh, shoot. That mug. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Hold on. Let me get back over here. Let me tell you something here, Jim. That was tough. But, I mean, how long is that? That still give you some good leverage. I mean, that's pretty much an oil change. That's an oil change wrench. You know, they got good leverage on it, but my longer ratchet would have been better. I would have had more leverage. Longer the better. Dookie. Get started on this. Filter here. It's the same style. Hold on. Dookie. I'm gonna have to move the pen after a while. Like, it should be loose enough right now. All them turns I done put on it. Daggone thing stuck on me. Go back. There we go. Dookie. And to hold the camera on my phone and do this at the same time, yeah, done started dripping. Man, it takes some skills to do that. I tell you, I be watching other people's videos and wonder how they be doing it. They sacrifice. Mm-hmm. You hear me? Hope I got a good view. Yeah. You daggone screw long. Yeah, buddy. Alright. We'll let that drain out. Alright, let's go and get that mobile one up in that thing. We got a tight situation here. But we ain't gonna play with it, you hear me? We ain't even gonna play with it. Let's go and get this oil in here, putting that mobile one in it. Yeah. Alright, let's go and add some oil in here. Dookie. Oh, mobile one. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, we back on it. My phone done died, so I done put my phone on charge. I done got the other two trucks done. Now I'm working on these two. And I already got that one right there. I already got that one. Actually, I got both of them drained, filter changed. Done. Yeah, buddy. So we gonna put oil in them now. All right, we gotta access this little area right here under the seat. Let's see, can I do this with two hands and holding the phone at the same time? Yeah, buddy. So looks like we're gonna have to go to the driver's side and access the oil where you put the oil in at. So we'll hold this up with a bar. Yeah, a jack handle works great. All right, let's go and do the same thing for this side. Come on. Nope. All right, we got a pry bar on this side. Let's go to the driver's side. Got this seat slid up. See, can I get this without using a tool? Let's see, can I do that? Let's see. All right. Boom, bang. We do the other truck the same way. Hold on. Okay. So I gotta pull that up. I need two hands for that. Maybe. Yeah. All right.
Got that pulled up. Well, that sounded like my pry bar. All good. But get both of these open up. That way we can just pull and go, Joe. All right, let's get some oil. Yeah, this is a tight situation. I can't film that. But we can go and get it up in there. Yeah. All right, oil cap back on. Gonna do a crankaroo on it. Yeah. All right, we're gonna let that settle and put some oil in the other one. All right, we got oil in this other one, and then we're gonna go check the level on the other truck now. See where we at. Oh, that looks just right. Let's wipe it off. See about it. That looks just right. Oil change number 3. It's pretty much done. Okay, we need to add some more to that thing. All right, we in the safe zone. Now we're gonna blow this engine bay. All right, we're gonna pop this filter off and blow that thing on out. Yeah. Come on. Put this thing back together. Boom, bang, boom. And this truck is good to go, Joe. All right, let's check the oil in this one. Pretty sure it's low. Or maybe it's not. I don't know. That first pull always be stuff on it. Let's clean it off. Let's clean her off. I don't know how that first pull be like that, but maybe it comes from splashing. Let's see about it. Nope, nothing on the stick. Let's get some oil in here. Yeah, we good to go, Joe. All right, time to get these trucks on up out of here. That's it for today. Yeah, buddy, hope y'all have a great weekend. Me, I'm about to go fishing. Y'all check me out on my next channel, my other channel, Scale and Bones. SCALE and Bones. BONES.